Hi guys, can you hear my voice here?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay, cool. So let's start. Hello everyone. This is Cheryl. It's very exciting to host the crypto market insight session with our guests. Today we are very happy to have with us our guests and who will be sharing their opinions on the market trends. And also, as the host of today, I'll be leading us through a very thought-provoking conversation and promise to be both informative and impressive and also engaging. So whether you're an experienced crypto user or just getting started, we encourage you to sit back, relax, and join us for what is sure to be an enlightening discussion on this week's performance trends and hotspots, and also probably for the next week some predictions. And the live session is broadcasting on CoinW live channel and CoinW's YouTube channel simultaneously. Welcome all to watch, and please be free to leave your opinions or questions about market, coins, etc. in the comment, and our guests will definitely pick up some to answer. Let's go on. Welcome, Jay, Rina, Anya, and Boris. Welcome you all to this live session. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. So, this part, which is about the market review, the gainer and loser coins. In this part, we'd like our guests to point out the top three performing and underperforming cryptocurrencies of the week. Additionally, we also kindly request some market insights on such as Bitcoin, Freedom, and other cryptocurrencies you want to talk about. So please be free to share your screen and let us to watch your chart. Who's the one wants to first share? Uh,
I think I'm gonna go first for this part.
okay, cool. Hi, Jay.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello. Let me share my screen for you guys.
Yep.
Can you guys see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. How about now?
Mm,
Can you guys see my chart? Because
uh,
I'm using multiple chart right now, so I confuse like which one that's showing. Can you guys see my chart in here?
no, actually, I can't.
How about this one?
Mm, wait,
Is this the chart that hold.
still now. It's
Oh yeah.
still blank.
Okay. How about now?
Now it's cool.
Okay. My bad, because I'm using a multiple screen, so I mean sometimes I'm kind of confused like which chart. So before we talk about BTC in and out, so I'm gonna talk about DXY because like tomorrow we got a non-farm payroll. That's a high impact news. So okay, talk about non-farm payroll. If tomorrow non-farm payroll decide to break the support, so I'm expect the XY, which is dollar index, is gonna be retraced around 2.4. But there is a but. So there is I'm gonna talk both way. Okay, so if we going down, so this is a probability, because if you can see here, there's a pivot in here, so this trend line is most likely that gonna like stop the downside. But if we if the result is lower than expected, no, lower than expect. If the result is bad and make the DXY bullish, so I think we're going about like 106 area, and if that happen, I think this trend line is going to break, because like if you guys seen here, we got like head and shoulder pattern, and it's already confirmed. And usually when there is a bearish or bullish pattern that getting break, I mean like when the pattern is complete and they're getting break, and the power is gonna be like so strong, like strong than like twice or triple. So I expect if the right shoulder is getting taken tomorrow, so I'm expect we're going to hit this thing, and all the you name it, stock, crypto, gold, and everything is going to be done. But I hope not. So I'm just giving you guys two possibility to for tomorrow. So that's why like I'm going for live on CoinW apps tomorrow. So CoinW live. So tomorrow around maybe like around at night, Asian night. So you guys can check on CoinW app. So and then like we can check on USD DOM, still fine, still fine. We are getting to the downside. I think it's still fine, it's still looking great. So let's say we break around 4%, we can have like 4.5 around here. And the problem with alts, if you guys see if you guys saw like Bitcoin pumping, but some alts now. First, we got less volume, and second, the BTC DOM is like, you see here, like the one that I told you guys last week. Maybe after we broke this trend line, we're gonna retrace to this trend line, so which is we done it. And right now, after this retest, maybe we try to go this low or even like this low. So this is my target, but it depends of tomorrow. It depends of tomorrow. But if tomorrow, yeah, if the dollar is getting strong, maybe we might get back up. But let's see for tomorrow. I cannot predict anything before tomorrow. And for Bitcoins, still look bull. My target still the same. I'm going to hit the previous all-time high, and after that, I'm gonna out and see what's going to happen. But this is my target around 73.140, and I also have the target around this one 73.665. I still not close my position yet on Bitcoin, like not even 1%, because I still believe like on 4 hour we still need a big fat volume on 4 hour, because if you guys seen here, like there is an imbalance volume. Okay, so this is level 1, this is level 2, and this green volume is not match even like these two volumes, like even this small one in here, not even match. So I will expect like there's another like breakout, but I have to see like if the volume like can match at least like this high, like this high. But this one is not, it's not the one that I'm looking for. So that's why I still expecting there's another pump maybe tonight or tomorrow. So that's for BTC, and BTC is still kind of like bearish right now. So that's why like alts not moving, like only certain alts. But right now I'm gonna give you guys like the one that I'm just opening today. This is from yesterday, WLD. I think with the Apple conference on 10, I think. So I think AI can move a little bit, So I'm going for WLD. And if you guys see here, we got a butterfly pattern here, and we just broke. And look at this support trend line. We almost broke this, and then we get back up. And we are grinding here. So that's why I decided to enter this, and my target around this is going to be like 72% around for WLD. And I also got render. Okay, render is hard to building. It's hard to building. So this is my initial entry, my main line, and I'm building another in here. And if this trend line is break, I'm gonna add another render. And my target for render is around $16, because like there's gonna be a good news. So this good news around 10th of June, I think it's gonna be like sell the but buy the rumor of selling this event. So that's why like if this thing not be able to pump, maybe I'm gonna close it. So who knows? And there is this one, last one, Pepe. This is been like difficult for me to building this Pepe for me. Like I've been getting stop loss, I think 3 times around this, like 1, 2, 3, because I just put like a tight stop loss, because meme sometimes can retrace like 10 or 20%. So that's why I'm just like giving it like 5% something. So from what I saw here, like Pepe is kind of breaking, like which one, my Pepe. So look at this Pepe. Okay, it's holding the support of this trend line, and then like keep running here. So it's same like WLD. So if this hold, I think it can be performed like one more push, And for the gainers, still like 3 weeks ago, this one Flocky. So if you guys know, like I'm a swing trader, like took from 10 Mays, still got like my Floki is almost, I still haven't uh take profit because I'm looking to take profit around this 36 cent. And what else? I also got like I think this week I got a ordinal. Yes, I got ordinal too. You can see in here we got a Cypher right here, and my target is going to be like 59%. It's almost around here, like $60. And after $60, it can break this area for ordinals, because ordinals and Floki right now, they're having a lot of volume here. They're having a lot of volume. If you guys check in here, where's my volume area? So they got a lot of volume right now, and they are top volume right now. And Ordi, if Ordi can break this trend line around 60, so maybe I'm gonna add. But it depends of tomorrow. If tomorrow the news is gonna be bullish, so I'm gonna add more OD. But if not, I'm gonna exit and short the market. So OD possibility, if the market turn bullish tomorrow, maybe we can hit 69 around here, around this A or this C from this Cypher area. So that's for me this week. Thanks.
Thank you very much, Jay. Thank you for your wise suggestions. And yeah, Pepe is too strong in this bull market. I just see how the Pepe rise in the whole time. And yeah, for today so far, the market is very optimistic. But do you think the potential bull trap will coming for Bitcoin?
It depends of tomorrow. To be honest, it depends of tomorrow. And tomorrow is kind of tricky. Actually, tomorrow we got a new moon. So
Uh-huh.
the new moon definition is looking for the local tops. So let's say we got local tops, but we break the local tops of it on that day, which is tomorrow. So the curse of new moon is going to be break. But if we get rejected tomorrow, I think that's gonna be bad. That's gonna be bad for Jane, because like in the next 2 weeks we still have CPI, we still have FOMC. So you guys have to prepare. The market is going to be choppy. The market is going to be like crazy volatile. Like maybe up, maybe down, maybe down fast or up fast. Like FOMC and CPI, that kind of stuff.
Yeah. I
Tomorrow,
see.
that's why tomorrow is the deadline. That's why like I'm having a live tomorrow on QueenW.
Okay. We will see. We will see. Thanks very much, Jay.
Thanks.
Thank you. Um, so Boris, what do you think? Would you like to share your screen here?
Yeah, sure. 1 minute.
Okay.
Yeah, so what I'm looking at is, yeah, like Jay mentioned, of course, we have Loki on the weekly. It's making new all-time highs. So really the main point. So Loki, Pepe are like my biggest two gainers. And then I really don't have much to add as it comes to the future spares on CoinW. I think those are like the top two. For Bitcoin itself, I think Jay covered everything. I'm particularly bullish on the ETF flows. So like on Tuesday, we actually had the second highest inflow of almost $1 billion come in. I think the highest was for the BlackRock ETF. So yeah, very bullish on Bitcoin. It's about like $2,500 from the all-time highs. So yeah, I agree with Jay on Bitcoin is bullish, and yeah, I mean I think he covered everything. Tomorrow's NFT read is going to be pretty big, and yeah, it's pretty much all I really have for this week. I think Jay covered everything.
Okay, thanks very much, Boris. So what do you think about the altcoins?
I think so. I have an echo that's kind of messing with the audio, but I think the altcoin it's going to follow what Bitcoin dominance is doing. So I think Bitcoin dominance is trying to bounce here. So if Bitcoin dominance does go up, I think altcoins in general will go down. Uh, apart from the meme coin, which should go up regardless.
Okay, got it. So do you think is it any possible that if the altcoins may experience an increase while Bitcoin dominance the declines? Do you think that that will happen?
I think as long as Bitcoin dominance is at the level where it's at, so right now it's about 54% and it's trying to bounce off that level. I think in general, the altcoins will decline relative to Bitcoin. Apart from like the stronger ones like Floki and Pepe. But like all the old ones from the old cycle, like Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin, I think in general they will decline against Bitcoin. So and yeah, probably even actually decline relative to Bitcoin like it has been for the past few years.
Okay, got it. Thank you very much, Boris. Thank you for your sharing to us.
Mm-hmm.
And hi, Rina.
Okay, hi Cheryl.
Hi. Would you mind to share your screen and share something to us?
Okay, wait. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so for Bitcoin, I'm pretty much bullish with Bitcoin because as you can see here, it tried to break this resistance a lot of times, so it might be successful now. But yeah, just like what Jay said, it depends on what will be the impact for tomorrow. Okay, I also have here Pepe. Okay, so it's been on this uptrend for a lot of weeks now, and still now it's consolidating around this area. But let's see if it will retrace more around this trend before going up, or if it will break this trend. So if it break this one, then I'm short on it. So I also have here okay, so for the top crypto for this week, I also have here Jasmine. Jasmine is actually consolidating for around from March up to May, and recently just last May 26th it has broken this area. Okay. So a lot of that's for Jasmine, and also still on my watch list is Notcoin, since yeah, it's been very popular lately, so a lot of noise with Notcoin, but I'm still monitoring this token. So that's all for my uh tokens and watch list for this week.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Reina. Thank you for your sharing to us. And Anya. Hi, Anya. Hi. Can you hear me? Hello, Anya.
Hi, hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can.
Oh, okay. So, let me share my screen. To, uh, okay. Yep. Okay. Everyone, welcome. Yeah, can we see my screen?
Yeah, we can.
All right. For me, the token that did very, wonderful well for me was GME, and that's on let's say on CoinW. Yeah. So as a Sunday, yeah, this token was still at 0.000, like three zeros and three. So 3 zeros and 3 zeros and 4. At the point I got on the token, well, it's a meme coin, by the way. So it's on CoinW. So at a point I got on the token, I sold, got on it back, because I look at it as it has got into the more like the bottom. But then because it wasn't really moving fast, so I decided to sell. Guess what? I sold on Monday. Is it either yeah, on Monday. I saw I just went to my CoinW app to check for something. I saw it has did over 200%. I'm like, wow. the one that performed very well for me was GME. Yeah, we also have some other tokens as well, but personally for me, on the platform, on CoinWeb platform and on CoinMarketCap was GME. Even though it's a meme token, but it has to do with game, so it's GME. We can take note of it. Yeah. So now let's go to market analysis for Bitcoin. Over the course of the week, we've seen the Bitcoin move from 69 to 71, almost hit 72. Then currently the market is consolidating. We are having a market consolidating right now. So if we take a look at stage from this phase here, see that the market is currently consolidating. And if we take a look at it, now I'm currently using a 1 hour chart frame, and which shows that each candle represents a 1 hour time frame. I mean, each candle represents a 1 hour. So if I should take this to a day, so it means that the market I'm showing here is representing a daytime. Now this, I've done all these quite before, so this was more like a market psychology, how the Bitcoin market is expected to move. Okay, so that's why we are seeing all this. Yeah, so let me return it back to 1 hour so that you don't have to show back. So currently, people have the opinion that, okay, probably on the drawdown that we had last week is the last drawdown we might see in the Bitcoin before then we have Bitcoin to continue. Can we see me?
Yeah.
Okay, then we have Bitcoin to start moving. Well, you never can tell. You never can tell yet. But one thing is certain is that if there's going to be any drawdown for BTC, we know the levels Bitcoin is going to get to, and we know the price range we can get on it. And it's also so sure that you know that bits for now, for this bull cycle, the market cycle, we know that Bitcoin can go back to 40K, neither can it get back to 50K. So it just depending on the kind of trader you have, whether you're a scalper, you're a swing trader, you're a holder, or you're a day trader. But currently now we have the Bitcoin market consolidating. So if there's going to this is 1 hour time frame, there's going to be any drawdown. So we might just have it at 70K, and it also depends on the news. And just yesterday we saw BNB broke a new all-time high, got to $700. Which is also an indication that the crypto the bull market is around the corner. In fact, we should be ready for it by now. Okay, so currently Bitcoin is trading, BNB is trading for 7. All right, let me turn this back also to 1 hour. Okay, let's put this on a 1 day time frame. So currently we have BNB as well trading for over $7 or around $10. So during the last bull run, so the all-time high before was at let me take this so that we can see my screen very well. The all-time high was at 689, and guess what? Just yesterday we had it broke $700. So which is also an indication that the bull run is here already. Though the market, the Bitcoin and Ethereum dominance might not really be out there, yeah, very well, but then we are already in the bull markets already. So what we are supposed to do, like I said, depending on the kind of trader you are and the kind of your risk appetite, your risk tolerance level. So it also determine what you have to do in the market. So now, if you just want to use Bitcoin, if you want to use Bitcoin as Ethereum to know the direction of the market, what is really happening in the market. So let's make use of the Bitcoin. Let's make use of the Bitcoin crypto market cap. So this is the total crypto. I'm going to open two charts for us: the total crypto market cap and also the total crypto market, the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin. This current one is the total crypto market cap of all the cryptocurrency. So now we are using a 1 day time frame. Currently we are at 2.57 trillion. Can we still hear me?
Yep, we can.
Okay, all right, thank you. So currently we are 2.57 trillion. I'm coming from both technical and fundamental aspect of it so that we can grab it very. Currently we are at 2.57 trillion. That's the total crypto market cap. And during the last bull cycle, the market cap, the high was at 2.9 to 3 trillion market cap. And currently we at 2.57. So it's an indication that it is very rare. So by the time the total crypto market cap break this, that is going to be a confirmation that we are already in the bull cycle. Though we are currently in the bull cycle, I mean the bull market, so more like still ranging and consolidation. But by the time we have the breakout, break the previous all-time high for the last bull run, so it's going to be a confirmation. Now this is the total crypto market cap. So let's take a look at it with the exception of the ETH and BTC. So let's take a look at it. We have it here. So the total crypto market cap excluding BTC, and these are more like the other altcoins. So now if you take a look at it from here, let me remove these. Let me hide these. Okay. So if you take a look at it from here, the total crypto market excluding BTC and ETH is at 706 billion, while the previous all-time high was at 1.2 trillion. So now, if you take a look at it, we have about 290 plus billion for it to meet back the previous all-time high. So this is more like indicating the current dominance of the odds of every other coins or the other alt tokens, including the meme, the GameFi, the reward asset, the AI token, every other altcoin. So which is currently at 706 billion. So there's still a possibility that we might have a drawdown too. Now this is not certain, but it's a possibility that we might have the odds to draw that to about this price range here. This price range here, which could either, or let me just use rectangle or this price range here. Now it's a possibility, it's not something that's like so. By the time we get that, so that's going to be the last phase for the that's going to be the last phase, the last leg we are going to have. Then the next step is going to be we are going to see the markets. I mean, everybody calling for Lambo to the moon and the likes. So, depending on the kind of trader you are, be a scalper, a swing trader, or a day trader, just don't be caught prepared. That's just because you don't prepare in the battle, you prepare for the battle. So you don't prepare in bull market, you prepare for the bull market. So this is more like we are seeing the preparation period. While the market is still consolidating, you see more like the preparation method, and so you don't miss out, and you don't also FOMO. So, but I want to try strategy. So if you have a last phase, or let's say we have a last, more like researching some coins, some tokens, and point of view. For those of us following us on YouTube, this trade, I placed a trade just now, so it has entered. Okay, so for those following us on YouTube, so there are a lot of tokens on point of view platform that you can take advantage of. Why you can't? When I mean take advantage of, because their prices are still very, very small. I mean they are local tokens, so you can take advantage by getting on them early. So one of the things that I tried panic of then is if we hit the last leg, which I predicted, like I said, it's likely, it's a possibility. So these tokens I'm going to opt in on them and use if I'm going to be trading futures. I'm using 5x or between 3 to 5x. I'm managing my risk between 3 to 5x, and I will leave those tokens until 2025, where when the bull we hit the peak of the bull. So that's another strategy. I'm not saying you should try it out, but you can just go to CoinW and you take a look at the tokens we have, try to do analysis on the tokens, and you're going to see that there are a lot of opportunities that you can take advantage of, because those prices are still very, very young. So, for example, now the GME I talk about, the GME token I talked about this, just imagine some days ago it was at 0.004. So, and look at the current price at 0.01. So, like I said, it did over 200%. We also have the like of mail. Now, these are the tokens I'm mentioning are not financial advice. So, make sure you do your own due diligence before you get on the tokens. So, they are not financial advice. So, DME, just imagine what it did there. We also have like of Maneki, we also have like Aiki, we also have like about Slave, we also have like of Mail, different tokens like that. Just go on CoinW and look at the tokens, and trust me, you're going to see a lot of them coins, and you'll be glad you did. So going back to BTC, so currently, like I said, it's currently consolidating, and if you're a scalper, you might try to, you know, you might try to scalp between this particular range we have here. If you're a scalper, that's if you're a scalper, but if you're not, or if you're a day trader, between this range, so, and you can just scalp, be scalping it. You can use a 5 minute or 10, 15 minutes time frame for it. All right, so thank you very much. I will stop sharing my screen and take well. Thank you very much.
All right, awesome. Thank you very much, Anya. Thank you for your very comprehensive sharing to us, and that's very impressive. So I'd like to drop into the next part, which is about the market trends discussion. So let me share my screen here. Yeah. So here is our first question for today, which is about there's a saying in the US stock market, sell in May or go away. Does this phrase also apply to the crypto market? And how should we view the prospects for June? Will the market repeat the sideways of May, or can we expect a bull market rally? So what do you guys think?
Yeah, I guess I'll start with this one. So I actually did a study on this, and I found out that in May, Bitcoin has like a 50 chance of being positive or negative. So obviously, in last May, we had a positive one, so this phrase didn't really apply. Now, as far as for June, I actually did another study, and I analyzed all the June months, going back to 2011, and we have like a 55% chance of closing positive on the month. So I think June should be positive as well, given the bullish conditions. Bitcoin at the all-time highs, plus positive ETF flows, and all the other bullish things we talked about. I think the prospects for June are going to be pretty bullish.
Okay, thank you very much, Boris. Jay, what do you think? Do you agree with Boris? Do you stand with Boris?
Yeah, I'm kind of agree, but it depends of the FOMC, the non-farm payroll first, CPI, and then FOMC, because like, let's say we got those three like a bull sign, so I'm gonna be bullish again, but the problem is if FOMC decide to hawkish, so I'm gonna be bearish, because I heard some rumors Fed is going to be like cut some interest rate. If they do that this month, then I'm gonna be like so damn bullish, and I'm gonna like deploy my capital like crazy, hell like retracement. But if the Fed is hawkish and like doing like the same like previous month, so I think I'm gonna be bearish for that. But so I'm kind of like 50-50 on this, but I'm agree with Boris. I'm so agree. Yep.
Okay, all right. And yeah, and Rina, what do you guys think?
Okay. If you don't mind, can I share my screen?
Yep.
Okay, thank you. All right. So, I'm more of the opinion that sometimes we have. Can we see my screen?
Yep.
Okay. So I'm more of the opinion that sometimes we have history repeating itself, even though sometimes the circumstances are not the same, but most times we tend to react to it with the previous action. So now, if you take a look at BTC, for example, and the data for the past how many years now, for over a decade now. So if you take this, we are currently the month of June. So currently we have BTC. Can we hear me?
Yep. Yep.
Okay, so currently we have BTC currently at 5.40%. Yeah, but if you take a look at it now, we have 4 years in it. 4 years makes a complete circle for the Bitcoin. While for the stock market, a complete circle is 10 years. So why for the crypto market, a complete circle is 4 years. So meaning that we have a year plus for bear and a year plus for bull, and the rest are consolidating moment. So now let's take a look at the previous time we had Bitcoin in the month of June, and the last bear market was, the last bull run was in 2021, and from 20 and towards the end of 2021 we had the bear market start to set in. So between 2021 and 2022 and 2020 was the preparation for the bear market, for the bull market. So in 2020 we saw Bitcoin being bullish, and in 2021 we saw it as being bullish as well. In 2019 and 2018, 2017 was the previous, the previous bull run before 2021. So in 2018, immediately after the bull run in 2017, 2018, we saw Bitcoin at negative of 15.4%, and in 2019, which is also more like the bear period, but then we saw Bitcoin to be at close at a positive and 27.1%. Why in why in 2020, which was during the Corona era, we saw Bitcoin to be at to be positive. 2020, 2021. I just follow the analysis though. 2020, 2021. So 2020 is more like the preparation for the bull market, and 2021 was the bull market. So we saw Bitcoin. Oh, sorry, that's July. Sorry, yeah. In 2020 and 2021, we saw 2020 was the preparation for the bull run, while 2021 was the run. We saw BTC at there was drawdown. Then in 2017 and 2016, it was bullish, and in 2013, can you see me? Can you see me?
Yep.
Okay, so in 2013 and 2012. So in 2013, before the bull run, so 2013 we had a bear cycle, so which it was we had a drawdown. So now if we go with that analysis, a month before a year before the bull cycle, we usually have more like the preparation phase. Then during the bull cycle, we are going to have the markets to be bullish. So now going with that, looking at the previous phase of 2023, which was a bear period. Of course, the expectation was that Bitcoin for the month of June is going to what be bearish, but reverse was the case. Now this is 2024. 2024 is also an anticipation for the bull market, which is to come in 2025 fully. So now for us to have it closed, to either being bearish or being bullish, which also determines some factors of which Boris and they have mentioned some of the factors, which is the CPI news and the Fed stuff that is coming up. So now for us to know whether it's going to completely be bearish or be bullish, it's dependent on those factors as well, and also the market sentiment. So for me, I'm going to be indifferent with this for me, but most likely, we might see it being bearish. Most likely. I'm not saying it's going to be bearish, but most likely we might see it being bearish. That's just my take on it. So if we based on the analysis of the bull and the bear, towards the circle and the period of the bear. I mean the period of the bull. So based on this, okay, that's what makes the decision. But then based on the market sentiment and the news, things can turn around. Yeah. So thank you very much.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Anya. Thank you for your sharing to us. Yeah, so I think that is quite comprehensive. So let me share my screen here again. Okay, so here the next question about at the start of this week, we observed significant inflows into ETFs, followed by Bitcoin touching 71K thousands once again. So does this represent the market's expectations for the non-farm payroll due this Friday? And can we now predict the market's directions after the non-farm payroll is released? So what do you guys think?
I think I'm gonna go because I'm so expecting and I'm so excited with the because can I share my screen with
Yeah.
the
Okay.
okay. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Okay, okay. Can you guys see my chart in here? No?
We can see your table.
Hold on.
It
Because
has several
I have
windows.
because I'm broadcasting this on my hold on. So okay, I'm gonna share and give me a sec.
Yeah.
Can you guys see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
the screen is good.
Yeah.
Can you guys see it?
Yes, yes.
Okay. This is the chart, yeah. Okay. So talk about non-farm payroll for tomorrow. To this week. So look at this. Non-farm payroll. Where's non-farm payroll? There's where is it? I think I saw it. Tomorrow. Yep, this one. The forecast is going to be lower than expected. And just like the previous, like this one. This is the previous, I don't no. Sorry. The previous is like I'm not quite sure about that, but the forecast is going to be like lower than expected. But if lower, so the market is going to be lower. But sometime, yeah, sometime no, sorry, it's higher. Sorry, it's going to be higher. So it's going to be higher than expected. If higher, maybe we can get a pump. Maybe like on May we get a little bit pump. So and then like the market is decide to confuse us, and then like there is like a dump because like the dump is came from the I think the CPI or the non-farm payroll. I forgot about that. But if you guys see in here, like on Bitcoins, like if we all start in here around this resistance because this resistance we have been hit like 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and if we hit one more, that's not going to be good. If we hit one more or two more, that's going to mean like this resistance is going to be strong, and we don't think we're going to hit 30 73 or more, because like if we cannot breach this resistance, so the buyer and the seller are gonna think like, oh my god, this resistance is so strong, and if the resistance is so strong, so they're gonna like, they're gonna like take profit and exit. Like example, this resistance in here, look at this, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then like, okay, this short is kind of like gave up about that. So that's why like the market is start pumping.
Okay, for that, Boris, would you like do you want to say something, because we can hear echo here? So maybe you can off your mic.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay, bro. Cheers. So I'm gonna like repeat it, like the same on the resistance. So this is like the support, used to be the support. So and then like when we broke this bull flag, and then like we hit like this support like so many times, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why you guys can see like so many weeks in here, so many weeks. And then while in here, like a week and 2 weeks ago, the market is so choppy, and then like the market is so boring, and then like suddenly this week, and the market decided to pump, and then like, so we are facing like the same thing like in here and right now. So if this resistance cannot be break, so I think the market is going to be like going down, and then like if going down, that's gonna be bad, because like I told you before, at the beginning, this is like a bull flag. So and the bull flag is a bullish pattern, and then like when the bullish pattern break or the bearish pattern break, and then like the vice versa is incoming, and then like the damage is gonna be like twice or triple. So if the price decide to get back in, this is gonna be messy. This is gonna be like so bad for the price action. Like maybe we can retest here like quickly. So we're gonna be retest like 53 or even like this box. So that's why like I'm so prepared for both side. Maybe like maybe we can get the down tomorrow or up. So that's why like tomorrow is like the the judgment day for the crypto and stock and everything. So that's why I think I'm done. Thanks.
Yes, like Jay said, if the non-farm payrolls comes in higher than expected, that's actually going to be, in a way, it's going to be bullish for the markets, because that's going to show that there's more unemployment, more jobless people in America. So that's actually going to force the Fed, or not force, but make them more likely to lower interest rates, which would be bullish for the stock markets and crypto later this year. So yeah, that's the key thing to be aware of. If it comes in higher than expected, expect a bullish reaction in crypto. But if it comes in lower, like if the non-farm payrolls come in lower than expected. I'm sorry, yeah, if they come in, so if they come in higher than expected, that would actually be bearish for the markets. But if they come in lower, no, so I'm confusing myself again now. But yeah, if they come in higher than expected, that would be bullish. If they come in lower, that would be bearish. So yeah, we're looking for a higher print to see a bullish reaction in the crypto markets.
So what you think, Boris, since you live in US, are we getting like a higher than expected, or are we getting like lower than expected?
That's the
Because
tough part, because I think all this data it's like not that accurate, and
yeah, it is not accurate. That's why
yeah.
the accurate data is like when the things happening after the news, and then like we got like the shakeout candle, and then like okay, That's the accurate data, right? Because
Yeah.
it's already priced in. So you
Yeah,
even
so
can
probably
right?
yeah, so probably gonna have we're gonna have a lot of volatility regardless what happens. Right, it comes out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern tomorrow. So and then and then the data itself is just the way they count it. I just don't think it's accurate. Just because we have like an election later this year, so I suppose it's better for the U.S. economy if the data shows that actually there's the non-farm payrolls are still good. So in a way, maybe the people who calculate the data, they're incentivized to show like a better number than than it really is. So yeah, there's a lot of factors at play. I think there's a lot of manipulation happening even within
It is.
the government. Yeah.
But sorry, I cut you. But you're living in US right now, right? And how's the economic right now? Is it good? Is it getting better, or is it like not good? Because like that's gonna determine the Fed gonna cut the interest rate. Is it good right now?
Yeah. No, I don't think it's that good. Like inflation is very high. Like prices are expensive. I'm sure it's like that everywhere. And wages haven't gotten higher. Houses are very expensive. Like everything is more expensive while wages have remained pretty much the same. So yeah, like I mean, inflation's probably like up 40 or 50, not I don't know, like 30-40% since COVID. And yeah, like there's like more record credit card debt and just debt in general. So overall, I would say no. Like the economy's not doing that great. That's just what I see in the United States. Yeah.
So you think like June 13th they're not gonna cut this interest rate right around here? They're not gonna cut it. Like they're gonna like do another hawkish. Right?
Yeah, because that might like panic the markets too much. So I think the expected rate cut is not until I think it's like 50-50 in August, if I'm not mistaken. I need to look at the Fed watch tool again, but yeah, that's what I'm looking at.
Yeah, I'm agree with you. I don't think they're gonna cut it like this week. So that's why like we have to prepare. Anything can be
Yeah,
happen like this month. So yeah,
yeah,
thanks.
yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I'm gonna like out from my screen. Thanks, guys.
Thank you very much, Jay and Boris. So we all know tomorrow is very important. So what if if tomorrow is going down the trend, would you like to suggest to our audience here to protect their capital and strengthen the risk management by setting stop lose orders or waiting for more clarity in the market?
I would say if you're setting stop loss orders, make sure they're not like too close to your entry price because there's gonna be a lot of volatility tomorrow morning. So probably I would avoid trading the shorter term time frames. Like if you have setups on the daily or weekly, it should be okay. But like let's say you're long on Bitcoin right now and your stop is like $500 away. I mean, Bitcoin can easily like dump or go up $500 in like a minute tomorrow. So, you know, I wouldn't set your stop like, $500 apart. Probably better to set it wider. So in general, I wouldn't recommend having too much risk going into the print itself.
Yeah, agree with you. And we all say long Bitcoin. So what if long Ethereum?
So if
Um,
tomorrow like
yeah, good.
Bitcoin is pump, it also pump actually because like the problem is on the XY. If Bitcoin tomorrow pump, that's mean the XY is dumping. That's why like it can be pumped too. Are you agree, Boris?
Yeah, I think, yeah, I mean, if Bitcoin goes up, Ethereum goes up, I just think it's kind of hard to say which one will go higher because looking at the Ethereum Bitcoin ratio, it did have a nice rally after the ETF announcement, so it could still continue going up. But like Ethereum does this all the time, like it has like a rally against Bitcoin, and then it just the ratio itself it it just collapses back down and Bitcoin takes over. So we'll see. Maybe this time it's different because now we actually do have some positive fundamental news for Ethereum with the ETF launch. So it's very positive developments for the Ethereum ecosystem overall. But I'd say yeah, if Bitcoin pumps, Ethereum pumps as well.
Yeah, cheers.
Okay, cool. Thanks very much, Boris and Jay's answer for this question, and also share a lot of things. And actually, this question is quite interesting, which is about the Trump, very trend, the hotspots for this week. And this is our last question for today, actually. And the question is, over the past week, Trump has become a focal point in the market, with its market value reaching an all-time high. Given that this is an election year, so how should we view the future trajectory of Trump? And should we consider cashing out at the high or continue to hold or buy? So what do you guys think?
Okay. Oh, can you hear me?
Yes,
Can you hear me?
hi.
Okay, all right. Okay. Like you said, the election coming up and the whole thing. So what is really pushing the token? Oh, is the name Trump. Yeah. And depending on the outcome of the elections, whether the token will continue to push and except if Donald Trump himself decides to start talking about token, which I'm not sure is really interested, not like Elon Musk kind of thing where he pushed his Doge rather. So depending on the outcome of the election, will determine whether the token is going to be dead or it will still be alive. So depending, and if also the outcome is positive. Well, I'm not in the US, so I really don't know how the election, who has the more, who has the potential to win the election. Maybe Boris can answer that though. So that's by the way. Yeah. So I said, depending on the outcome of the election, if the outcome is in favor of the name Trump, yeah, it's really going to make the token do very massively well. But if the outcome is not favorable, that's going to be a negative, it's going to have a negative effect on the token. And another way to look at it is if Donald Trump decide to keep talking about Trump, like more like if we keep talking about a crypto, he necessarily doesn't have to mention the name Trump. But if we start talking about crypto, this, crypto, that's crypto, it's going to give the token on hedge. It's just market psychology, just like the way we had about just like the last bull market where Elon talk about Doge this, anything to it, and that's is related to Doge. What happened is that the price of Doge starts to move. So we might likely have that for Trump too as well. So cryptocurrency is very volatile, and it's always advisable not to use the money you can afford to lose. Do not trade or invest the money you can afford to lose. So now if you want to keep buying, make sure that it's the money you can afford to lose. So and if you can't afford to lose it, there's no point in you coming into the crypto space to trade or invest in the first place. All right. So, and if you cannot manage your risk according to your appetite, there's no point in buying the token because it's meme coin. Meme coin is just for fun. All right. So there is no guarantee or tangible utility backing the project up. So it's just by the community for the community. That's all. So yeah, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much, Anya. Thank you for your answer for this question. So about this question, Rina, would you like to add something up here?
Hi, Cheryl. So I kind of agree with Ian. Like, it depends on what will be the outcome of the election. But for this, just since it's crypto, just always expect the unexpected. Like, so if you're gonna take advantage of this move for the election, I think it's if you're already in a profit before the election itself. So maybe you can just sell half of that and then just hold on half of the money. So so if the result is favorable to you, then you still have some profits, and if it goes against you, then it's still half of the amount that you put into the token. So that's all.
Yeah, thank you very much, Rina. That's yeah, agree with Phil. And for this question, Jay or Boris want to add something up here?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I would say, since Trump, it's a meme token, and I guess Trump himself is a very, I guess, influential figure, obviously, in American politics. I do think going to the election, the token's probably gonna continue going up. Um, so yeah, it just makes sense for it. Like, would it make sense for it to go down at this point, especially since uh, just in the election itself, like Trump is having a lot of um, like momentum in terms of like gaining new voters. Just talking about the election itself. So I think if people catch on to the meme token as well, it will probably go up. And also, yeah, I know it's kind of like the image itself is kind of funny. So I guess it'll just keep, it's a meme, so it'll just keep going up regardless of what we think.
Yeah, that's right. So Jay, what do you think about this question?
Yeah, I'm kind of agree with you guys, and like, I think Trump's gonna win it. I love Trump, to be honest. I prefer Trump better than Biden, but I think, I'm gonna help you guys by checking their price action. If you mind, like a quick. I'm
Yeah.
gonna share screen.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Where is this? This one. Okay, can you guys see it? This is the Trump.
This is very small.
Is that it? Okay, can you guys see it?
Yeah.
Yep. So the Trump, okay, if from based on price action, I think I'm gonna buy it around this area, like first $10, and then like second round this week around 3, because like if the market decide to turn, that's your opportunity to buy. But this kind of type of buy, this is gonna be short term, because like when let's say if Trump win, this is gonna be like by the rumor sell in this event. So that's why like you cannot hold this for long term, like cannot for long term, because like uh this thing is still meme, still high risk, and so that's why like uh don't take it like personally, don't ever like attach to the meme coin, because like meme is, high high return and high risk. That's why like, so that's why like if I saw it, so Trump, I think we're facing a resistance around here. So give me a sec. So this resistance, so I'm expect we're having like a retracement around here, and this is the support. This is gonna be the support for the Trump coin. So I don't have it. I don't have any, because like I'm not I'm not a meme coin guy, but when I'm do meme coin, that's gonna be like the good one, like Myro, Peppy, or bongs, but like this kind of type, like, you know, I will play when the market is boring, but not not now, because like the Bitcoin is still pumping, so this is like your support turn line. If this break, and then like this is gonna be like your last. So sorry about that. I'm not used to. So this is gonna be like your support. So like I think 10 and below 10 is still good to buy. So that's it. All right. Thanks, Cheryl.
Okay, thank you very much, Jay. It's very awesome to share to us, and also about the chart. Yeah, and I think that is all questions for us today. And thank you very much for joining us today. And thank you, Jay, Boris, and Rina, Agnes sharing to us is quite important and very comprehensive and really impressive. And please be sure to keep an eye on CoinW and also our esteemed guest. Follow their Twitter account as they will continue to share really valuable insights on the world of crypto. And we're really looking forward tomorrow. And you can follow Jay, Boris, Rina, and Anya's Twitter account because I think probably they will share something really important on their Twitter account. So stay safe, everyone, and good luck. So overall, I'd like to thank you everyone for joining this inspiring discussion today. Take care and see you next time. Goodbye, guys. Bye-bye.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.